lives in the heart of those whose aura is the one that glows. The sun and stars cannot compete their gleam. He has nurtured those who exalted their self-esteem. A very heartfelt greetings to one and all present. St. Edward's School, seated in the heart of Milsington, Shimla, is a living legend of times immemorial. Ever since it was established in the year 1925, our school has been guiding its students with its distinct motto, Lumen Sequere, follow the light. Today, we all are blessed to have been given yet another opportunity to cherish one of those special moments of our school, especially the one that gave birth to a series of legends. And thus, we commemorate the school's 96th Founders' Day ceremony. God bless our school. God bless us all. Hail, St. Edward's, hail.
Lord, we pray for good and peace, peace all over the land. May all men dwell in liberty, walking hand in hand. Banish fear and ignorance, hunger, thirst and pain. Banish fear and poverty, let no man live in vain. Let no man live in vain.
Reverend Father Anil Squarea, Principal of the school, respected and dedicated teachers, distinguished guests, ex-Edwardians, brilliant students of the school. It's my privilege to have been called upon to say a few words on this virtual Founders' Day function of this historic and one of the best day schools in the country. Founded by the Christian Brothers in the year 1925, it is heading for the centenary celebrations just after 4 years from now. St. Edward's has its history and traditions. Started in a small way, it has not only expanded in the strength of the students, but also courses and new infrastructure and activities. It has adopted new techniques in teaching, also studies, more so because of the coronavirus epidemic. It has switched over to the latest devices. One finds children of the junior school comfortable with computers, and it is heartening to see that when it is not possible to attend the actual classes, they have coped up with the situation. The actual studies are not suffering, though they miss the environment of the school and the company of their class fellows and friends. It is hoped that with the fast improving conditions, the actual school classes would start functioning soon. Dear students, you are lucky to have been admitted by your loving parents in this school, which has produced leaders in all walks of life and in all professions, whether it is the armed forces or the civil services or professions like doctors, engineers, advocates or businessmen and politicians at all levels. You will find an Edwardian all over the world excelling in every walk of life, right from the former Vice President of India, Shri Amit Ansari, to the present Chief of the Defence Forces, General Rawat. St. Edward's has given a lead to you to chase them and excel them. The school motto, Lumen Sequere, which means follow the good light, will always remind you to be a good human being in your behavior and dealings with others. You have a bright future, and you must not only respect your parents and teachers, but your colleagues and the public. You must always remain humble, polite, and courteous in your behavior. I am sure, with your devotion in studies, you will raise the name of the school to further excellence and heights. I had the advantage of being the student of this great institution from 1950 to 1957 and has witnessed the progress made by the school and the students year after year. I once again wish you well in this academic session and life, as also the various captains and office bearers who have been chosen by the school for sharing the responsibility and leading you in its activities. Thank you.
I feel a sense of pride and gratitude that I have been called upon today to address the family of St. Edward's School, Shimla on the occasion of its Founders' Day. I would like to start with a brief introduction of mine. My name is Abhishek Verma and I was in St. Edward School, Shimla from the year 2000 to the year 2010. Subsequent to that, I completed BTech in Computer Science from IIT Delhi, and currently I am an Indian Administrative Service Officer posted at Kangra as Sub-Divisional Magistrate. I cannot help but recall the last Founders Day and investiture ceremony in which I was given the mantle of House Captain of St. Mark's House. The club system in the school ingrains in students the value systems of solidarity, commitment, and zest. Upon that, the leadership position that I was given taught me many lessons that have proved handy in future courses of my life. I am extremely grateful to my teachers, to the school principal for teaching me excellence in academics and extracurricular activities, discipline, social responsibility through moral science classes and Ego Club. I wish the best for the school. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. I, Ankit Sharma, HPS 2018 batch and presently posted in District Kangra as DSP Dehra, would like to congratulate the school management, staff and students on the 96th Founders Day of St. Edward's School. I completed my class 12th from St. Edward's in the year 2008. For me, St. Edward's is not just a name, but an emotion, which laid the foundation of what I am today. I feel a lot of pride in saying that yes, I am a product of St. Edward's. I wish all the very best to the school management, staff and students for their future and wish them success in all their pursuits. Thank you.
In the most challenging 365 days of the year 2020, when mostly everyone sat back and watched things collapse and rebuild, grieving about the loss of goodness from a year, at least Edwardians can proudly state that St. Edward's grasped onto that silver lining in the dark, if not the darkest cloud. Agonized by this trepidation of what turns the world might take, people went on foraging some sort of links or lines that would connect them with their loved ones. But when there was a lack of an offline, we went forward to connect through an online mode. The successful online teaching, which had a kickstart immediately after the lockdown, was soon enough accompanied by a news full of pride for the school: the announcement of the CBSE board exam results. The science stream had 12 students score above 90%, with Aditya Kuthiala topping the school with 96.8%, followed by Saksham Sood with 96%. The commerce batch was topped by Akshay Sood and Jyotiraditya Guleria with 90.6%. From class 10, 16 students scored above 90%. Kanishk Chanchta topped with 98.2%. Adding another feather to the cap, the school went on to organize a virtual MUN, the Edwards Model United Nations, which involved debates and discussions over national and international issues. The event had an extravagant opening ceremony with a special guest appearance by the founder of IIMUN, Mr. Rishabh Shah. The following students of our school brought many accolades. Parth Bhatia won the Best Caricaturist, and Prakul Mohan Goyal bagged verbal mention in the International Press Committee. As for the National Security Council Committee, Abhav Bhanot secured the High Commendation, and Arman Mahajan won the High Commendation in the AIPPM Committee. In the United Nations Security Council Committee, Nalin Sharma was declared the Best Delegate. In the United Nations General Assembly Committee, Ritik Berry won the Best Delegate. Abhimanyu Negi secured the High Commendation. The special mention was bagged by Aryan Chaudhary. Keshav Vashisht and Jaivik Singh Bhogi bagged the verbal mentions. Some of the Edwardian MUNers even participated in other MUN events. Purvansh Kaparet won the Best Delegate in the Xavier Fair Model United Nations, with his committee being the UN Equity for Gender Equality and Empowerment of Women. Abhijay Nagal won special mention at the IIMUN Digital Flagship Conference 2.0. Speaking of extracurricular activities, Vardhan Agarwal secured the 4th position in the state under 15 table tennis and represented the state at the national level championship in Indore. Later, when the situation was a little safer, the announced cabinet of this session was awarded badges and sashes at the investiture ceremony held in the school auditorium. The event handed over great responsibility to the newly elected cabinet members and celebrated the proud moment, added with the blessings of the alumni through messages compiled as a presentation, while following all the norms of social distancing. Overall, and as usual, St. Edward's shined through these tough times by looking for the positives in the negative. And by upholding the motto, follow the light, we succeeded in creating yet another fruitful session. Hail St. Edward's, hail!
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिसमें जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे, तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो वो
She's so filthy canvas onto sheets of clay. Oh, yeah. All they spread out before me as her body was still. Oh, five horizons floating around the sun as the earth to the sun. And now the air I taste and breathe has taken a turn. Oh, when all my total was ever there. Every day, oh, the pictures there, oh, the emotion blood, tattooed everything. Take a walk outside, empty by some discipline. I can feel the laughter. So why do I say? Oh, I twisted thoughts that spin. Dum dum na dum dum na मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है, रुत ये ढल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी। हो होगी हमें तो रहमत अदा, धूप कटेगी साए तले, अपनी खुदा से है ये दुआ, मंजिल लगा ले हमको गले, जुर्रत सौ बार रहे, ऊंचा इकरार रहे, जिंदा हर प्यार रहे। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। केसरिया बालम आवोने, पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे। Dinna
बच्चे से काम बच्चे से राम नाम सत्य ये खुले आम हत्या ये काम बच्चे से काम बच्चे से सुन ले दो अच्छे से डर जा मरने से काम बच्चे से काम बच्चे से मेरे जैसे एक तेरे जैसे छत्ते से काम बच्चे से बोले दो गेम ओवर। रास्ते में खड्डे नहीं खड्डों में रास्ते है छाती है चौड़ी क्योंकि बम्बई हर सांस में है डरना किससे जब समंदर भी साथ में है पानी है गहरा और शूटर सब शौक से है आया राख से तू जाएगा भी राग में दिमाग में ये डाल दे तू शातिर हर चाल में हूँ शातिर वही टाउन में काम में लगाव अगर सही सा अमाउंट है छोटे जरा काउंट है खिलाने वाले हाथ को नहीं काटने का मिलाने वाले हाथ को नहीं चाटने का तेरी है थाली तो अपने में खाने का अपनी हरकतों को दूसरों में नहीं बांटने का ये बम्बई वाली रूल छोटे कूल छोटे क्लास आने के लिए थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ता स्कूल छोटे मत भूल छोटे नंबर 1 रूल छोटे बाप होता बाप और तू तो मेरा फूल छोटे बच्चे से काम बच्चे से राम नाम सत्य ये खुले आम हत्या ये काम बच्चे से काम बच्चे से सुन ले दो अच्छे से डर जा मरने से काम बच्चे से काम बच्चे से मेरे जैसे एक तेरे जैसे छत्ते से काम बच्चे से बोले दो।
With this, we come to an end of our 96th Founders Day virtual celebrations. On behalf of the school administration, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on the memorable occasion. A big thank you to all the alumnus for giving us their sagacious insight about the long and auspicious history of our school. I also wish to present a heartfelt gratitude towards the school management, the teachers, and the staff who even in these tough times devised methods to organize the Founders Day through virtual means. It is a time to look back at the good times and a time to look ahead at our dreams. 96 years and many more to go. A very happy Founders Day to our whole Edwardian family. Thank you.